Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever printed an Excel sheet and ended up with awkward cutoffs or waste space, this video is for you. Today I will show you
How to change orientation from portrait to landscape.
so your printouts look clean, centered, and exactly the way you want. Let's dive in.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
This is the sample retail transaction dataset that I want to take print. Now how its page would look like when it will be print. To see it, first I'll go to the View tab and change its view from the normal to the page break view. Now let's see how it will look like on the page. For this purpose, I'll go to the File tab and then I'll click on this Print. So you can see that all the data will be printed on this first page, but it is now very small to read and a lot of space is left empty on this page. How we can fix this? Let's learn. I'll click on this back button. Now the solution for this is the change of orientation of the page. I'll click on this orientation and then change it from portrait to landscape. Now I'm going to increase the scale up to 95%. Now let's see how it looks like when we take print. For this purpose, again I'm going to the File tab and then click on this Print. You can see that the data is fit on the page and now it is easier to read. The only thing that we need to set is the empty area on the left is smaller as compared to the right. So if we make it center horizontally, it will look more good. For this purpose, I'm going back. I'll click on this arrow to go to the page setup. I'll go to the margins and click on this horizontally centered. So now if I click on this print preview, you can see that all the things are set. The last thing that you need to learn is that there is some options of setting the margins in the print preview also. You can see that on the left we have the printing options along with this margins options also. So this means that we can also set the margins under the print preview dialog box. That's it. Now you know how to control margins in Excel and make your spreadsheet print ready. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a tip. Got questions or want to see more Excel tricks? Drop a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.